Om Swastiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan, salam harmoni. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for time for me for presentation my paper. The first, I would like to introduce myself. My name Niwayan Sukerti. I'm from Universitas Pendidikan Ganesha. Today, I would like to presentation my title paper that is Development of Chinese and Japanese Culinary Teaching Material in Asia Culinary Course. I'm Niwen Sukerti and my team Joisri Raka Marsiti. This presentation consists of several parts. That is for the first is introduction, the second method, the third result and discussion, and the fourth conclusion. Alright, I would like to start from introduction. As we know, a good learning process will be realized if it is supported by good learning resources. Learning resources that can facilitate student-centered learning activities and are able to bridge the gap between the material and its content in everyday life. Currently, the availability of teaching material that can support students to carry out meaningful activities and be able to bridge the gap between theory and practice, material and context are still few or even rare. Considering the characteristic of Asian culinary learning, whose object of study is real or concrete, then linked concept and material in Asian culinary lecture with context is an important and absolute thing. Therefore, this research is very important because it will produce a real product in the form of teaching material with a contextual approach. Teaching material like this products a novelty, both at the paradigm and practical level related to the development of student-centered learning model. So, the purpose of this research is to produce Chinese and Japanese culinary teaching material that help obtain studies from experts both in terms of material or content as well as in terms of learning design. Next, for the method, this type of research is research development or research and development (R&D). Use product certain and the test of activities and this product, according to Giono 2016. The selective development model is the ADDIA model because the ADDIA model is a model that is developed systematically and is based on the foundation of learning design. And then the procedure for developing teaching material using the ADDIA development model are the first analysis, the second design, the third development, the fourth implementation, and the fifth is evaluation. However, due to current pandemic condition and situation, it is not yet possible to carry out the implementation stage in school. Therefore, the research taken by the researchers only uses three stages or three steps for the ADDIE development model, namely the first analyze, the second design, and the third development. Are as follow the first analysis. This thing is first step to develop learning teaching material in accordance with learning objective in which researchers obtain several problems from the information of time so that researchers find solution and design effective treatment by developing teaching material. For the second, design, the design stage includes several planning for development of teaching material. For data development, the development of the ADDIE model contains activities to create and modify teaching material. Next, the data analysis technique of the validator assessment result uses the following formula by Akbar 2013 in Irwanti and Citru Lista 2021. For the formula, VA equal to TSA divided by TSH multiplied 1000%. Okay. The result and discussion. For result and discussion, we show by diagram. The first, for material aspect assessment, there are 12 aspects. So, based on data in table, it can be calculated the percentage of assessment by two material experts, namely 90.84%. Some input from material expert through open questionnaire and assume summarize as follow. It's better to add an example of an image in the submaterial for typical Japanese food. For the second assessment of learning design expert. For this is the second assessment, there are 9 aspects. There are cover quality, attractive cover design, typing layout accuracy, consistent use of space, clarity of writing, completeness, accuracy, correct placement, clarity of the order. So, based on the data in table above, it can be calculated the percentage of assessment by two learning design experts, namely 95.55%. Learning design experts provide input through an open questionnaire with a statement that teaching material can be used with minor revision. Furthermore, some suggestions and effort are given, namely that it's necessary to give space in the module for students to try to do something. Perhaps try a small practice and analyze the process and result of student practice. So that feedback is written based of the experience in trying an activity that is able to try analytical power through several practical activities and then discuss at face-to-face meeting. Next, for discussion, this research on the development of teaching material only goes through formatted evaluation to collect data at each stage that is used for improvement. Evaluation is carried out related to the research development stage to improve the resulting product development. Validation result, the draft of teaching material assessed by two validators, is seen from the aspect of material being assessed, and overall is the ring of 81% until 1000%. This means that the draft of teaching material in terms of material has very valid validity, and the result of the validation of two validators from the aspect of instructional design are assessed on overall being well in the range of 81% until 1000%. This means draft instructional material that are developed have the validity of the very valid. Based on validation result, we can conclude that the draft material that develop a valid use for students with the hope to improve the ability to design, prepare, process, and present the appropriate Asian culinary standard expected. Next, for the conclusion, The result of the analysis of development research and can be concluded that the teaching material in the form of a collection have a very valid level of validity or are feasible to be used and tested. However, due to the current COVID-19 pandemic, the state used in the ADDIA development model only use 3 states. Therefore, the effectiveness and practicality of the teaching material developed by researchers cannot be known. For that, researchers hope the researchers further place to continue the research is to be able to conduct field trial to test the feasibility of this learning teaching. All right, for the audience, that is my presentation, and I apologize if during my presentation some wrong or some mistake, and this presentation, the end presentation, I would like to say uh, thank you. Om Santi 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 Om.